Public opinion. Public opinion treated as collective people's opinion, majority people's opinion. So, no democracy can be successful without people's opinion. Democracy can be built, democracy can be successful. That is depends on collective opinion or public opinion. Public opinion. So, in modern world, modern states like direct democratic states, they're gathering people's opinion in the form of different terms: initiative, referendum, plebiscite, recall. That is nothing but people's opinion. No government can be success. No government can be formed without support of the people's opinion. Without support of the people's opinion. Public opinion consists the desires, wants, and thinking of the majority of the people. And thinking of the majority of the people. That was treated as majority people's opinion. Majority people's opinion. That is public opinion. It is the collective opinion of the people of a society or state or an issue or problem. State issue or problem or any other government policy or government activity based public opinion can be collected. Collective opinion can be collected by the government through different forms, whether it is relating to the states or society, whether it may be origin in a society or issue or problem based public opinion going to be collected by the government. This concept came about through the process of urbanization or other the political and social process. Other social process. On the basis of this, it was raised. Public opinion on aggregate of the individual views, attitudes, and beliefs about a particular topic expressed by a scientific preparation of a community. So that they are based on attitudes, beliefs, faiths. On the basis of this, peoples can express their opinion to gather opinion from the public. A democracy requires public opinion because it derives authority of the people. So government can exercise authority, power because of public opinion. Suppose for example, one vote is equal to one opinion, one public opinion. So on the basis of vote, universal adult branches power. So governments can be formed. They will capture power on the basis of the public opinion. So that's why democratic states they are giving more priority. Like monarchical form of governments, they won't consider public opinion. In monarchical form of governments, they won't consider public opinion. They won't consider public opinion. So this was played significant role in democratic states only. Public opinion. The term public opinion, it was derived from the French. Initially, this was derived from the French. It was origin in the French. The public opinion public, which was first used in 1588 by Michel D. So it was popularized in gentlemen clubs. How social movements have changed. Social movements change through public opinion. Through public opinion. So no movement can be, no agitation can be successful. Because reason is they will move forward because of public opinion. This public opinion may be divided into four categories. They were divided into four categories. They are quantitative measurement of public opinion distributions, quantitative measurement of public opinion distribution, and other one is investigation of the internal relationships among the individual opinions that make up public opinion. Investigation of the internal relationship among the individual opinions that make up public opinion. And description or analysis of the public role of public opinion. Description or analysis of the public role of public opinion. Description, that is also one of the category. And study both of the communication media that disseminate the ideas on which opinions are based on, often uses that propagatory and other. So this public opinion can be formation that will be processed through mass media, political socialization. Information can be collected, so public opinion can be gathered through mass media, political socialization. And mass media affects agenda setting. Mass media affects agenda setting. Mass media effect and agenda setting. Mass media effect agenda setting. And also role of influence, relationship with public policy. Any policy made by the government, so generally we call them as what government choose to do or not to do, that is public policy. So while making public policy by the government, they will consider people's request, people's opinion, then move forward by the government. So public policy. Relationship with foreign policy. While taking foreign policy, in this movement, government of states, government of central, they will consider people's opinion. Nowadays, almost all the governments, they are totally depends on public opinion. So if there is no collection of public opinion, there is no way to get success. So public opinion is necessary in this democratic system.